In today's competitive real estate market, staying organized and connected with leads is essential to success. Traditional methods of tracking clients and deals are no longer sufficient. This is where Chime CRM steps in, a cutting edge customer relationship management tool specifically tailored for the real estate industry. Designed to cater to the needs of agents, brokers, and teams, Chime CRM provides a one stop solution for managing leads, automating communications, and tracking deals from start to finish. This beginner tutorial will walk you through the core features and benefits of Chime CRM, why it stands out in the market, and how you can maximize its potential to grow your real estate business. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for ways to modernize your workflow, Chime CRM has the tools to help you thrive in a fast paced, client driven industry. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the AI powered lead scoring and management. Chime CRM's AI driven engine analyzes client behavior, lead activity, and market trends to score leads and suggest the best course of action. It categorizes leads into hot, warm, and cold, helping agents prioritize effectively. By focusing your efforts on high priority leads, you save time, close deals faster, and increase your conversion rate. Another key feature is the customizable marketing automation. The platform allows users to create and manage automated workflows, including personalized email campaigns, follow up reminders, and text alerts. You can build sequences tailored to client preferences, ensuring engagement at every stage of the buyer's journey. So, marketing automation ensures no lead falls through the cracks, while also saving agent hours of manual communication. Another key feature is the seamless IDX website integration. Chime CRM enables real estate agents to integrate their websites with IDX technology, allowing visitors to browse up to date property listings directly on their sites. You can capture lead details instantly when someone interacts with your listings. This provides a professional online presence while generating new leads 24/7. Another key feature is the team collaboration tools. Real estate teams can use Chime's built in collaboration features, including task assignments, team dashboards, and shared calendars. Each member can view their responsibilities and track collective progress in real time. So, enhanced communication and transparency within teams result in smoother operations and fewer missed opportunities. Another key feature is the transaction management. The transaction dashboard helps agents monitor every step of the buying or selling process, from tracking deadlines to storing important documents like contracts and disclosures. Chime CRM ensures deals remain on schedule. This reduces errors and enhances client satisfaction by ensuring a seamless transaction process. Another key feature is the integrated marketing campaigns. Chime CRM supports the creation of PPC campaigns and social media advertising right from the dashboard. Detailed analytics help you monitor ad performance and ROI, ensuring your marketing budget is spent wisely. This helps agents expand their reach and attract new leads with measurable results. So, why is Chime CRM a great choice? Chime CRM is more than just a tool. It's a complete ecosystem designed specifically for real estate professionals. Its focus on AI, automation, and real time data ensures that you're always one step ahead of your competition. The platform's intuitive interface makes it accessible to agents of all experience levels, while its robust suite of features scales to accommodate growing teams and businesses. Moreover, Chime CRM integrates seamlessly with other tools you already use, such as MLS, email marketing platforms, and productivity apps. It eliminates the need for multiple disconnected systems, streamlining your workflow and saving time. So, whether you're a solo agent or part of a large brokerage, Chime CRM offers a powerful and flexible solution to manage your business efficiently. So, here are a tip for maximizing Chime CRM. So, you want to set up custom automations. Take the time to build tailored workflows for different lead types. For example, you can create unique sequences for buyers, sellers, and investors. This ensures each client receives relevant, timely communication, increasing engagement and trust. So, another tip is to leverage your data analytics. So, use Chime CRM's reporting tools and track key metrics such as lead conversion rates, marketing ROI, and sales performance. This can guide your decision making and highlight areas for improvement. So basically, Chime CRM is a game changing solution for real estate professionals looking to elevate their business. So whether you're managing dozens of listings or just starting in real estate, Chime CRM adapts to your needs, helping you stay organized and competitive. With its user friendly interface and industry specific features, this platform is a must have for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and achieve sustainable growth in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.